Hey guys, we just got back from Ridermania. I'm still recovering from all of the action. So are the motorcycles, as you can see, with all of the muck and dirt on them from Slide School. Speaking of Slide School, the biggest thing that happened at Ridermania for us was the official announcement that the Pune Slide School is going to be at Autologue Design. What kind of action happened at Ridermania? Here's a little glimpse. So unfortunately or fortunately, I don't have time to recover. We have the Pune Underground happening on the 27th. We have India Bike Week on 2nd and 3rd. So the boys are already at work trying to get things finished up. I'll give you a small sneak peek, but you would have seen on our social media that we're giving away a free motorcycle. Yeah, that's a pretty big deal. What is the free motorcycle? I'm still not going to let you know, but we're working on it, so eventually probably you'll have an episode on that as well. We're also running a bunch of contests in association with India Bike Week. If you have a cafe racer, you could get yourself a free pass and a slot to showcase your bike at India Bike Week. Have a look at those contests on our social media. You would have also seen on our post that we've collaborated with Autoengina, where they've made the world's first 822cc Himalayan. And it's not a big bore kit like a lot of other builds. It's actually 411 and 411 put together. So the dreams that we had, ki you want a big bike, can I just take two of my small bikes and make one? Yeah, well, these guys made that happen. What our role in that build is mostly about the body panel and the way it looks. The platform has been prepared by Autoengina. We've been working on it full time for the last 2 weeks because it's a really short duration. But I love the way it's looking. Can't wait to show you the full thing, but let me show you a little glimpse. The biggest thing that gives away the build is obviously these two. The Himalayan obviously wasn't a twin, didn't come with two pipes, but this one does. You can't really see from here. In the full build video, we'll show you the behind the scenes of how the bike came together. But yeah, right now we're just getting the exhaust finished up. We've put a bigger oil cooler from the Interceptor rather than have the smaller one from the Himalayan. Yeah, I think it's the last 20%, but can't wait for it to be done. So one last bit of info that I can give you before I give away too much before India Bike Week. Let me see if you can guess what the giveaway motorcycle is with just this detail.